Hello everyone, welcome to Cloud Data. So in this video, we will see how to create a team using Microsoft Teams Admin Center, Teams Client, and PowerShell. So we are going to use three tools for creating a team. So before creating team, what is Microsoft Team? First of all, what is a team in Microsoft Teams? In simple terms, a team in a Microsoft Teams is like a digital room where people from your organization can come together and work on projects, share files, chat, and collaborate. So it's a collaboration space. A team is a place where everyone can communicate to work together. It's like a virtual office or a meeting room. Inside team, you have channels. Think of channels as a different discussion topics or project areas. You can have channels for marketing, sales, and so on. So when you after you create a team, there will be an option for you to create channel under the teams. You can create multiple channels like sales, marketing, design team. So like that you can create multiple teams. That is channel. Multiple channels under the team. So you can also chat and files. You can chat with the team members, share files, even have video meetings all within your team. It's a central hub. Teams brings everything together, messages, documents, meetings. You don't have to switch between different tabs. That is the benefit. So, what is the difference between team and a channel? So, whenever you create a team, there will be a channel by default created with it in the name of general. After that, you can have multiple channels created under the team. So what is the difference between this team and the channel? That we can see now. So, team. Team is like a big container, a group of project space, a group or a project space where people can collaborate. It represents broader context, such as a department, project, or organization. So within a team, you can have multiple channels. Channel. Channel is a subset within a team. So as I said earlier, when you create a team, you will have an option to create a multiple channels. So that channels will be a subset for that team. Okay. So for what reason you create a channel after you creating a team? So you are creating a channel to have a focused discussion area for for a topic. Okay, channel can helps to organize the conversation, files, and meetings related to specific subjects. For example, you create a team for a project. Under that project, there will be a marketing designs, there will be multiple specific that you have to organize and discuss, separately. For that, you create a channel. You can create a channel like general, meeting, design. So general is, as I said earlier, general is by default created whenever you create a team. Okay. Now let us create a team by using three different tools. First would be Microsoft Teams Admin Center, second would be Teams Client, and third would be PowerShell. First, we will create using Microsoft Teams Admin Center, next Teams Client, followed by the PowerShell. So now open the Microsoft Teams Admin Center. In order to do that, open any browser. I'm opening Edge browser and typing admin.microsoft.com. This admin.microsoft.com page will take you to Microsoft 365 Admin Center. After you go to Microsoft 365 Admin Center on your website pane, click on Show All. After you click on Show All, scroll extreme down and click on Teams. After you click on Teams, it will take you to the admin.teams.microsoft.com. So this is the Teams Admin Center. So after you go to Teams Admin Center, on your left side pane, click on Teams, expand Teams, and select Manage Teams. In the Manage Teams, you see an option to click on add. So this is the place where you have to click on add and create a new team. So let us see how. So click on add. In the new pop-up window, type the name of the team. So I'm going to type name of the team as TAC team, which is Teams Admin Center team. Team is created using Teams Admin Center. So by default, I'll be owner of this team. You can also add multiple owners. You can modify just by clicking on add, just by typing the name. Okay. So now here comes an option to select as a private or public. So what is the difference between private or public? You just click on this more information. Here it says private is private is not open for everyone to join. Only teams owners can add and remove the members. And public teams can be seen by everyone from the team's client or team's gallery, and people who can join without getting approval of the team's owners. So that is the difference between private team and public teams. Here in this case, I'm going to create as a private team only. So after you click on private, just click on apply and wait for the team to get created. It is creating. So now if you see, team is created. TSC team is created. This is the team we just created. Just click on the team. After you click on this team, you will see a multiple options. You can click here to add owners for this team, add members for this team. So this is the email address of this team. Whenever you create a team, by default email address also get created. For that, you can send the email to this team. So this is how, these are the simple options that you see when you create a team in the Microsoft Teams Admin Center. So you can also view that team in your Microsoft Teams client, which is installed on your desktop. So just open the Microsoft Teams client and click on Teams. If you click on Teams, you see this is the team that we have created using Microsoft Teams client. This is Microsoft app. So this is an app, Microsoft Teams app, which is installed on your desktop client tab. Okay. So in the client tab, you see an option. You see a team which you have created in the Microsoft Teams Admin Center. So this is how you have to create a team using Microsoft Teams Admin Center. Next, we are going to see what we are going to see. We are going to create a team using Teams client. Okay. How to create a team using Teams client. This is the Teams client. So in the Teams client, click on Teams and click on this plus sign and click on create team. Under create team, here you have an option to create a team name. So I'll create a team name saying team created using Teams Admin Center. Sorry, no, Teams client. Sorry, not Teams Admin Center. Teams client. Okay. Team created using Teams client. So again, you have option to create as a public, private, public, or organization wide. So here I'm going to select public and just click on create. So now the Teams client is creating the team. Nice work. Okay, so next option, it is asking you to add members if you want. So I'm going to add member. That member, you can add it as a member or owner. I'm going to just add as a member. Just click on add, adding member. Yes. Now the team is completely created using Teams client. See, this is the team. This is the first team which is used to Teams Admin Center to create this team. This team is created by using Teams client. What is next? Next, we are going to create team using PowerShell. Yes. For that, in your system itself, you just open Windows PowerShell. You just click on Start and open Windows PowerShell. Open this Windows PowerShell using administrator. All right. Okay. Using Windows PowerShell, open open this Windows PowerShell. So Windows PowerShell, after you install Windows or open Windows PowerShell, you have to run couple of commands. So first command would be install module name Microsoft Teams hyphen force space hyphen allow global. So this command you need to run to install the Microsoft Teams module. Okay, just hit enter. It is installing. You have to wait for some time. See, it is installing. So already in use. In my case, it's already in use. So Microsoft Teams is installed. Now the next command is you have to connect to the Microsoft Teams. For that, type this command, connect Microsoft Teams, and just hit enter. You will be prompted to enter the credentials. You have to enter your credentials. Okay, my credentials are accepted. So now I am in the Microsoft Teams tenant. Okay, so you see my account is already there, already created. So here you can run couple of commands to create the command, create the team or view the team. For example, I'm going to run this command, create team, and just hit enter. So if you see the team we have created using Teams Admin Center, Teams Client, those teams that you can view here. Now we are going to create the team using PowerShell. For that, run a command new team hyphen display name followed by team created using PowerShell. Okay. Again, you can write description here. You can write the same here. Team created using PowerShell, and then visibility. Visibility, again, this visibility option is to select this team should be in private or public. Here I'm going to select private, and then just hit enter. So wait for the team to get created. So if you see, new team has been created. Team created using PowerShell. So this is the new team which we have created now, just now using PowerShell. You can see all the team by running this command get team. Okay, see, these are all the list of teams that has been created. This team we have created using Teams Admin Center, and this has been created using Teams Client. This has been created using PowerShell. So in this video, we have seen what is Microsoft team, what is team in Microsoft Teams, and how to create a team using Teams Admin Center, Teams Client, and PowerShell. And also we have seen what is the difference between team and the channel, and what are the use of teams and what are the use of channels. Those things that we have discussed in this video. So this is the overview of how to create a team using different tools such as Teams Admin Center, Teams Client, and PowerShell. All right. Thank you so much. Have a good day.